What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is, your girl Toyonce, and I'm back with another video. Yes, I is. Yes, I is. And from the looks of things, you probably already guessed what it is. But before we get into this video, you guys already know what I want you to do. What? Press that subscribe button. It's right there. I promise you it's free. Okay, just press it, okay? And then click the bell next to it so you know when I upload, so you don't miss this, okay? Now that I trust that you did it, let's get into this video. So today, you guys, I'm doing the no burp challenge. Now, for those who know me, no, I don't drink nobody's soda, pop, whatever you want to call it, okay? Before y'all get into all of that, oh, it's pop, it's soda, whatever you like to call it. I don't drink it, okay? Only pop, soda I drink is when I get sick. It is ginger ale, and y'all know that's the black people's medicine, and that's super strong. So I'm like, I was on, who page was I on? Or live, I think QD Eats. QD Eats. I'm sorry if I'm messing it up. If you're watching this, I promise you I'm so sorry. She was like, go ahead and do it. You know, everybody was getting challenged. She didn't challenge me. I mentioned that I was going to do it and she encouraged me. But I'm going to challenge some people. So, I am challenging. It's Ray Savannah, I am JTV, Cardis Eats, and Keeping Up with Chaz. Yes, all y'all. That's to do it. I'm challenging y'all, okay? Because I don't drink soda, and I don't care if y'all don't, because I don't either. So you gotta try it, okay? Unless, like, you know, like some medical reason, okay? Whatever. And then I'll forgive you. But anyway, and yes, I have a straw because she is not about to drink out no bottle. I probably won't get fired, but I'm trying. Y'all see I got my real hair. Y'all know she don't wear her real hair neither, but I am today. So I got Wildwood fruit punch flavored soda. I heard Wildwood is a little strong. I got it because it was cheap. Because who paying $3 for a 2-liter that they not gonna drink? Not me, not she, not her. Oh Lord. And I know y'all probably saying just drink it through a straw. It puts more air in your body and you gonna burp. Yeah, I know. But I'm not drinking out of a bottle. So let's get it. I think I got it now. I'm gonna take sips, you know. Let's see. That's strong. Okay. So y'all, I guess I'm gonna sit here and talk to y'all while I try to do this challenge so I won't lose. You just gotta take little sips. Y'all be trying to gulp it down. Of course you gonna burp. Of course you gonna burp. You gotta keep it cute. And sip it. And swallow. Sip. Swallow. Sip. And swallow. Talk a little bit. And then get back to it. It's not a race. It's not a race. I mean, I get what y'all saying and feel it. You feel it. You do feel it. I'm scared. I want to win. I'm competitive. Oh, okay. Nope. Toya, this is not over for you. This is not over for you. You got this. You didn't drink none. You got this. You got this. Yeah, I got this. Calm down. I got it. I got it. I'm good. You know, sip, swallow, talk a little bit. Okay, all right. I feel it. I feel something right here. Okay. That is strong. Whew. When did this start? Who did this? Why is this a challenge? Why is this a challenge? It's right here and I don't want to do it. Okay. Whoever, I believe looking at the orientation of it, like just recently, Jaleel Odom. Why you do this? What was your reason? Okay, y'all. Maybe I should try to drink a lot so I can say I did a lot. What y'all think? Because I feel it coming and I don't think I'm going to last too much longer. Okay. Hallelujah. Pray for me, Jesus. Okay. I'm going to try to drink a lot, so. Okay. Whew. I should have did that. I should have. No. Don't do it. Oh, it's right there. It's right there, right there, right there, right there. Don't do it. Swallow. 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 Whew. Y'all, I'm trying to get at least right here. I'm trying to get to the paper at least. God, if I don't, that is horrible. But I don't drink soda, y'all. It's burning my throat off. Okay. Let's try one more time. This is going to be the last one. I feel it coming. And there's only so much swallowing I can do. Because she don't do that. Okay. It's like I'm eating hot stuff. It's right here. It's right here. It's right here. I can't breathe. I don't want it to come out. It's right here in my throat. Oh, excuse me. I could not. That was not cute. Oh, ladylike. I could. Excuse me. I couldn't do it. It was right here. I couldn't hold it in my mouth. I tried. That was horrible. Horrible, y'all. My mama can drink it. Oh my God, sorry. That is not cute. But at this point, cuteness is out the window because I need to let it. I need to let it out. Y'all can have that challenge. I lost. I'll take defeat. Okay. Again. I'm sorry. And again, I challenge. It's Ray Savannah. I am JTV. Carter's Eats. And Keeping Up with Chaz. If you're not a part of their community, go holler at their page as well. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I tried. Don't talk about me. It was an epic fail. Okay, I tried. All right, don't do me. Oh, I gotta go, y'all, because all of this burping and keep burping, it's not cute. It's not cute at all. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up because I tried. I don't even know why. This was a challenge. But anyway, I tried. Give it a big fat thumbs up. Leave comments below and share it out, you know, all of that good stuff. And I'll, you know, talk to you guys in the next video. Peace out.